Good morning! Happy July 3. It's raining so hard and it's not that early in the morning, it's 7 a.m. On my way to BNB version 1.0 because the place had renovations because a new tenant is gonna move in tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, so cabinets were fixed, a new sink in the CR was needed, some repainting was done. Oh my god, sorry, kakagising ko lang. My voice. Ayun, so need ko lang siya i-check for a bit. So that's why it's a little bit early and the rain is insane. Well, that's July for you. We're making a July playlist also, by the way. So the song for today is On My Mind by Alex Warren and Biz Rose. It's such a July song. Bagay siya dun sa song natin kahapon. Tapos, ayun, I'm just on my way. And bakit sobrang lakas na ulan? Wait lang. Hi. And ang dami na gandang sasakyan. Or is it just because of the rain also? Anyway, yun. Ano pa ba? July 2 was good. It was sunny nga papunta and then it was raining nung pauwi na ako. So, everyone, still please keep your umbrellas with you. What else was I kakagising ko lang kasi this is such a bad idea. Yeah, nakawask ko kasi I don't want to be perceived. I will just be checking things and then I will go back home. July 3. Half of these videos are probably me gonna be zoning out, no? Because I don't have anything to say. Oh no! Pwede ko naman siya i-pause and then think about something to say. Nag-cut siya! Wait, I mean, nag-pinouse ko siya and then I'm dumb. Doon pala the other button yung... Anyway, I will try to piece that together. Ayun, I was saying na these footages have to be as raw as they possibly can. Kasi nga, yung goal natin is to be as earnest as possible. And to, ano ba? Ayun! A perk of getting older. Wow. Oh. I was about to say that a perk of being 30. I am not yet 30, but I am so close. So, a perk of getting older is that it just comes with the territory. Yung being cringe, being madoy, being, ano ba? Ayun, do people still say chugi? Anyway, yun. Parang it comes with the territory, right? So, parang there's really no fear in me anymore to comply or be in the know about things na because I'm old, so wala na ako, I don't have to keep up with trends. And my friends know, their friends know that I'm not cool. So, diba? There's no use being, so it's just a perk of it, I guess. I cannot survive being a teenager. Oh my god, in this generation. Yeah, so good luck to you guys, the teenagers, the TikTok teens, and the young adults. Rooting for you. Because I will not be able to survive in this peer pressure generation. I mean, grabe niya peer pressure in my generation, so like, what more in theirs? Okay, as usual, nag-tangent na naman siya, but I am close to my destination, so goodbye, good job to me, 3 out of 31. Bakit ang dami ko energy?